Hi everyone, I hope you all doing great today. My name is Sidki Ars, and in this video I'm going to talk about hortatory exposition text. Have you ever tried to convince your friends to do something like telling them to eat healthy food or to stop littering? Well, that's actually similar to hortatory exposition. So what is it? A hortatory exposition text is a type of text that tries to persuade the reader or listener that something should not be the case. In simple words, it's a text that gives opinions and also advice or suggestions about what people should do. Now, let's talk about the generic structure of this text. There are three main parts of this text. First, we have thesis. This is the introduction of the issue or topic. The writer explains what the problem or the main idea is. For example, immigration and custom enforcement raids created fear and tension in many communities. This sentence shows the issue clearly and tells the reader what the text will discuss. Next, we have arguments. This part gives reasons or evidence to support the thesis. In this part, you should include sources such as scientific articles or news report to make your argument stronger. For example, parents are often deported while their children remain in the US, which harms both individuals. According to CBS News, this sentence shows the issue clearly and tells the reader what the text will discuss. And finally, we have the recommendation. This is the last part where the writer gives a suggestion or advice about what should or shouldn't happen. For example, I think the government should review how ICE raids are carried out and focus on more human immigration policies. This shows what action the writer believes should be taken. So the text usually moves from opinion, reason, and then suggestion. Now let's talk about the language feature or lexicogrammatical features. There are some things we usually find in this kind of text. It focuses on general issues, not personal stories. It also uses mental verbs like believe, feel, think, realize, or appreciate. And it uses material verbs to describe actions, drive, allude, travel, spend. It also uses relational verbs such as is, are, should be. And it's mostly written in the simple present tense because it talks about general truths or opinion. Now let's look at a simple example to understand it better. Families should not be separated by deportation when parents are deported while their children remain in the US. It causes emotional pain and financial problems. Therefore, the government should make sure families stay together during immigration process. See, it starts with the main idea, gives reasons, and ends with a recommendation. So, to sum up, hortatory exposition text is used to persuade people to agree with our opinion or to take action about an issue. It has three parts: thesis, arguments, and recommendation. Also remember to use simple present tense and clear evidence to make your text stronger. So that's all for today's explanation. Thank you for listening.